Alright, this is it. This is your real first one. In this lesson, you're going to experience something important for yourself. How just a 5 minute can genuinely shift your mental and physical state, not by forcing anything, but by simply showing up. One thing to remember as we begin: in meditation, consistency matters far more than duration. 5 focused minutes a day are often enough to activate your body's natural relaxation response. This exercise is designed to give you a direct experience, a sense of calm, grounding, and control. Think of it as the first practical tool you're placing into your personal practitioner's toolkit. And to support you, I am excited to introduce your first interactive tool, your Calm Breathing Lab. Think of this lab as your personal space for calm, a place you can return to whenever you need support. Inside, you will find 3 different paths, each designed for a different situation. Mindful breathing, the foundation. This is where we train attention and return to the present moment. This is the practice that we will do today. Box breathing, a powerful technique for balance and focus, especially under pressure. The 4-7-8 technique, designed for deep relaxation and supporting sleep. And today, we will start with the first path. Building a strong foundation matters. The tool already includes calm music and a visual guide, so there is nothing extra you need. Now, let's begin. Here is what I want you to do. Pause this lesson, open your Calm Breathing Lab. From the main menu, choose Mindful Breathing. Select a duration that feels comfortable for you. We recommend starting with 3 or 5 minutes. Press begin and simply follow the visual guide and on-screen prompts. Allow yourself to fully experience it. When you're finished, take a brief moment to notice how you feel and then come back here and I'll be waiting for you. Welcome back. Before we move on, I want you to pause for a moment and notice what's happening right now in your body and in your mind. Whatever you notice, it's okay. There's nothing to fix or judge. Just absorb it with curiosity. Maybe you felt calmer, maybe you felt a bit more at ease, or maybe nothing changed at all, which is completely normal. You might have noticed your mind felt busy or restless or even more active than you expected. I want you to hear this clearly. All of these experiences are valid. The goal of this exercise was never to force calm. That's not how this works. It's not helpful. So, what is your true first win? It's not a feeling. Your real win is that you took 5 minutes for yourself, that you showed up, that you tried. Every time your mind wandered and you noticed and gently brought it back to the breath, that was the practice. That's how you build your attention muscle. This isn't a magic fix for everything. It's the beginning of something deeper, learning to relate to your thoughts and emotions with more awareness and kindness. Today, you proved something important for yourself. You can pause, you can absorb, and that is one of the most powerful skills you've built on this journey. You didn't fail if you didn't feel calm. You succeeded simply because you showed up for yourself. In the next lesson, we will explore how to take this skill and gently weave it into your daily life through simple, informal practices you can use anytime. See you there.